A song about my trip to Bonnaroo. They had me working as a parking attendant, and all I had to do was point. I was pointing in a specific direction, and that's rather dull, so instead I did some dancing and other stuff. I pretended to move the cars like I was in Star Wars, and then I started to act like a mime, and I started to act like a rising sun spirit. Oh, they thought I was tripping on acid, but the only acid I've got is in my stomach, and that's my stomach acid. But then the shows I saw were pretty baller. I got to see Animal Collective, and I did crowd surf. I saw ZZ Top, and they gave it all they got, and even more, because, I didn't know what they would have in store. It was a hell of a show. But Billy Idol had to go, because, he was on stage, and he sucked balls. I thought he was going to have a stroke, because there was the part where he was, going like this, on stage, and I didn't know. I hoped he died, because that would have been an awesome show, but no, he did not die. Oh, the rednecks, they would hear him play, and he was stuffed into a leather jacket, which, it was not very flattering. He was just trying to look young, but he was too old. But Paul McCartney was really fine. Seeing him was a good time. And then Mumford & Son was sick. I didn't get to see them, but Jack Johnson took their place, and they were a good recruit to have instead. I held up the road for Paul McCartney, because he had to leave, and they're like, oh man, we want security on that shit. So I had to make sure people didn't walk in the street, so that was kind of neat. But still, it was a lame job. I also saw Matt and Kim. They were pretty cool. Oh, I also saw Macklemore. He played 4 of his good songs, and then I had to run because I didn't want to get caught in traffic, because traffic's a dick. And now I'm here at home, and I'm sitting alone, and that's about all I have to say about going to Bonnaroo. Hooray, I'm probably not going to go next year, because they sold out. But, they're fun to go to, as long as you're not working there as a parking attendant. Alright, happy Tuesday, goodbye.